Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to reset a WordPress website. Now, before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access a lot of the features in WordPress, I advise you to pay for a subscription that costs $40 for additional features. Now, as you can see, I didn't pay for the subscription, so I won't be able uh, to do a lot of these tasks and features. But if we if we have to do some, I'll try to guide you verbally, and if you follow my instructions, you'll be able to complete the task successfully. Now let's dive into these steps. The first step is the most important one, and it's to back up your website. Use Updraft Plus or another backup plugin to save your site data. And to install Updraft Plus, just go to your WordPress account and enter your account credentials. After that, go to plugins right here next to the plug icon and search for Updraft Plus and select on it. And as I said before, to install a plugin, you're gonna have to pay for the WordPress subscription that costs $40. Now, after upgrading and activating it, use it to save your site's data. The second step is to install a reset plugin. Search for WP Reset under plugins here. Go to plugins and in the search bar type in WP Resets. Right here, click on it and do the same. You can upgrade it and activate it if you have already paid for a subscription. After installing and activating it, the third step is to reset the site. And to do that, go to Tools right here, and there will be an option to use the WP Reset plugin. You're gonna select it and type reset into the confirmation box and click reset site. For the fourth step is to rebuild the website. After resetting it, reinstall themes and plugins as needed. For additional tips, test the reset on a staging site if unsure. Resetting erases all content, so ensure backups are up to date. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.